When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, one of the first decisions you must make is which crypto exchange to utilize. The two biggest exchanges are Binance and Coinbase. Today, there are a variety of cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from. They both allow users to purchase, sell, and trade and engage in cryptocurrency trading. Coinbase, founded in 2012 by Brad Garlinghouse, was one of the first cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. Fred Ehrsam and Brian Armstrong. It is a regulated exchange established in the United States that provides a range of services access to some of today's most popular cryptocurrencies with an easy-to-use interface. Coinbase includes a mobile app and the option to buy cryptocurrency with your bank account or credit card, positioned itself as one of the world's top exchanges. Binance is a relatively newbie to the cryptocurrency world, having been created in 2017 by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao. It has quickly risen to become the world's largest exchange by volume. Users can choose from hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Binance is available in a variety of countries. Despite the fact that they had to create a separate entity, they were able to reach more than 180 countries around the world. Binance US is a cryptocurrency designed particularly for users in the United States. The availability of cryptocurrencies is the most significant difference between the two platforms. Coinbase has a rigorous vetting process in place to determine which cryptocurrencies it will support and currently offers. There are more than 40 of them. Binance, on the other hand, has expanded its exchange to include over 500 cryptocurrencies. Binance and Coinbase were created for distinct types of users. Binance for advanced users and Coinbase for beginners. For beginners, there's Coinbase for trading and Coinbase for investors. Binance, for the most part, has more. Coinbase provides advanced trading features while keeping things simple for investors who are still learning the ropes of crypto trading. Both platforms have mobile apps that allow you to create watch lists for specific topics. Set up live price tracking on a cryptocurrency you're interested in. Apart from it, the features of Binance and Coinbase are vastly different. If you're a more experienced trader, you'll want to pay particular attention to. You'll be ready to buy or sell when the price of Bitcoin reaches a certain level. Binance for skilled traders. There are numerous tracking and charting tools available. Furthermore, to view price movement, you can use indicators and overlays, and you can also utilize graphs. Set up price notifications for the cryptocurrencies you want to trade. As well, Binance offers more features than the standard platform. Since Binance's inception, many software tools can assist you with your trading activities if you have public API keys. The large number of trading options is the most significant advantage. For advanced traders, you have a few options. The following types of transactions are available on Binance: stop market orders, limit orders, limit orders, limit orders, limit orders, limit orders, limit orders, orders with a stop limit, orders that can only be delivered by mail, orders that cancel each other are referred to as one cancels the other orders. Peer-to-peer trading is a type of peer-to-peer margin trading. Derivatives and pool liquidity are all terms used to describe how money is made. Customers in the United States may have fewer options, but there are still many more compared to Coinbase. Binance also has a rewards center, which is a one-of-a-kind feature. To earn cryptocurrency, you can take part in trading challenges or giveaways. It ought to be Binance does not have a built-in digital wallet, as mentioned. You can, however, employ secure third-party digital wallets that are compatible with the platform. Coinbase, unlike Binance, has a built-in hot wallet where you may store your cryptocurrency inside of the platform. You can also transfer your payments to a PayPal account, which is a secure online payment system. If you wish to use charting and price analysis, you can use the Coinbase Pro platform monitoring features, but they're usually more limited than what you'd get on a smartphone. Coinbase is geared toward new investors, so its features are more specialized. In the direction of education, the platform includes a newsfeed that displays the most recent crypto news, as well as other features. Short videos provide consumers with an incentive to expand their expertise. Binance offers some of the most affordable fees, while Coinbase has some of the most expensive. Binance fees are based on a maker-taker model, which may appear confusing at first. Take a look at the platform's pricing tables. Binance typically charges 0.1% per transaction, but if you pay with a BNB token, you can get a discount. You can cut your fees down to as little as 0.02% using savings. Coinbase charges 0.50% each transaction, plus 1.49% if you buy with Bitcoin. Money taken from your bank account. Both Binance and Coinbase impose fees for purchases made on their platforms. Binance is 2% and Coinbase is 3.99% on your credit card. Both systems make it possible for you to its transfers are free, but only Binance provides free crypto conversion. Coinbase conversion fees range from 0.50% to 2%. Both Binance and Coinbase provide access to the most popular cryptocurrencies, but Binance accepts 10 times the number of currencies than Coinbase offers. Coinbase offers access to about 40 coins, whereas Binance has access to over 500. Both sites allow you to buy Bitcoin in dollar amounts, allowing you to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio. Purchase coins in fractions. Coinbase has a $2 minimum order amount, while Binance has a $5 minimum order amount. While the list of supported currencies is too long to detail here, both platforms accept the following currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and Compound are all notable currencies. Review Binance's market listings to learn about additional currencies. To see everything, click here. Check the prices of the tradable assets on Coinbase. As of March, both Binance and Coinbase are available worldwide, but not in all countries. Binance is available in more than 180 countries around the world. Nonetheless, they constructed a separate structure. Due to tight KYC requirements, the platform is only available to customers in the United States. Anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer. The United States has imposed prohibitions on money laundering. In comparison to Binance.com, Binance US has a smaller variety of cryptocurrencies and trading choices. It is their primary platform, with no margin trading and limited crypto-to-crypto trading. The risk of losing money is increased. Binance US does not have any deposit or buying fees, and no credit card purchases are permitted. At this time, it is a fantastic option for residents of the United States. Coinbase is available in 100 different languages, transferring your assets from a custodial wallet to an exchange you don't control. There are various advantages to putting money into an external wallet. Both Coinbase and Binance have their own exchange's own cryptocurrency wallet apps. These are both hot crypto wallets, which means they're both popular. Well guys, that's all we found for you today. Which exchange is best? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.